The Clayton State University Library has a new method of authenticating users who are off campus. So if you're trying to access our electronic resources from off campus, you'll need to authenticate using OpenAthens. And I'm going to show you two methods. The first is going to our homepage, and you'll notice that there's an alphabetical bar. We want to select the Nursing and Allied Health database, so I clicked on the letter N, which takes me to our A to Z list of e-resources. If we scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the database that we want, it's going to redirect us to a sign-in page where you enter your Clayton State University credentials. So that's going to be your user ID and then at student.clayton.edu, or if you're faculty or staff, simply at clayton.edu. Then put your password in, click sign in, and OpenAthens is going to redirect you to the electronic resource. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. And here we are in the Nursing and Allied Health database. So another way that you can access the Galileo databases is also through the library homepage by clicking on Journals and then selecting Galileo. This is also going to send you to the Galileo login page. The password you no longer need, so we're going to ignore this box that says login with Galileo password. Instead, you want to click public college or university from the Wayfinder, and from the drop-down menu select Clayton State and click Go, and then enter your Clayton State credentials and click Sign In. And unless you clear your browser cache or you change internet browsers, you will not have to log in again. Each OpenAthens session lasts for 8 hours, and so you can visit multiple databases without having to keep entering your CSU credentials to gain access. If you have any trouble accessing our resources, you can contact us. We have a contact us link here that lists our phone numbers. And on the home page, we also have a chat box, so you can chat with the librarian during normal library hours.